Penguins are flightless seabirds known for their distinctive black and white plumage and upright posture. They have a streamlined body that aids in swimming. Their wings have evolved into flippers for efficient underwater propulsion. They vary in size from the little blue penguin, which could measure about 33 centimeters tall, to the emperor penguin measuring up to 122 centimeters tall. Depending on the species, penguins can weigh anywhere from 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, to 40 kilograms, 88 pounds. They are typically black on the back and white on the belly. This coloration, known as countershading, provides camouflage while swimming. The dark back blends with the ocean depths when viewed from above, and the white belly blends with the bright surface when viewed from below.